What is the first thing which comes in your mind when you hear about this word army? Indian Army or army?
Yeah, not only Indian Army. Yeah,
Yeah, let
yeah.
it
Well,
be.
if firstly we see or hear these kind of words,
Yeah.
army. I would like to say, army is this kind of
Mm-hmm.
system or this kind of persons
Yeah.
who we go to our bed in regular way
Mm-hmm.
for this kind of word army.
Right.
We people are safe in our country only for this kind of army,
Mm. Right.
and we people are maintaining all and rules and regulations
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
by the help of this army.
Right.
And if we have any kind of peace,
Mm-hmm.
you can say the mental peace or the mental or physical, whatever you can say,
Yeah. It's because
only
of
for
army.
this army. Yeah, only for this army. Because they are maintaining all for your nation. They are maintaining all for the people. They are sacrificing herself or himself for the nation, only for the nation.
Right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's all.
So you mean that we can sleep peacefully because of the army,
Yeah,
So,
yeah, of course.
right now. Mm-hmm. And even my father is in Navy, so I can totally relate with you whatever you have said. So that's the thing. All right. So tell me one thing which we learn from which we learn from the Indian Army, from our soldiers. The one thing which I know is the discipline.
Yeah,
Discipline is
yeah,
a very important thing which we can learn from them. Like they are very punctual, and they are very well disciplined, and they are gentlemen right now. That's the thing. What do you think in this?
yeah, yeah. I totally agree with you. I totally agree.
Mm-hmm.
And apart from that, if you want to hear anything from me,
Mm-hmm.
I would like to say one thing.
Yeah.
We can learn
Mm-hmm.
the sacrifice
Yeah.
from the army. Instead of having all these kind of their family, their all relatives,
Yeah.
what are the
Sacrifice.
sacrifice? Yeah, sacrifice. Yeah, how they are
Sacrifice.
sacrificing it. Yeah,
Not
how they are
sacrifice.
Oh yeah, yeah,
There are a lot
sacrifice.
of sacrifices. So
Yeah,
sacrifice is not sacrifice.
yeah, yeah,
Right now?
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, continue.
How they are sacrificing,
Mm-hmm.
because in spite of having their family, their wife, their children, they
Yeah.
are suffering a lot
Mm.
instead of
And
having each and everything.
yeah, and have you heard about that Afghanistan wala case in which Taliban, they captured some
Yeah,
areas,
yeah. Just
Afghanistan,
have a
yeah.
look how they are trying to escape from their country, and
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
like a local bus, and they
Mm-hmm.
are
Mm-hmm. Yes, I saw
remove.
that.
Yeah, they have removed all these kind of seats from the bus, and
Mm-hmm.
they have sat down the surrounded the all floors,
Yes. Yes.
and they didn't have this kind of knowledge. One airbus when uh, start to fly, this kind of airbus must have the particular mass,
Yes.
so that having this kind of particular mass, this kind of earbuds can fly,
Yeah,
and they just
it.
rush towards this kind of bus, earbuds, and just sat down wherever they want.
Yeah, I saw that video, and I was also very shocked that what are they doing. But it doesn't. It was an emergency, and they had no option. So
Yeah.
that is why they did all these things. So now my next question to you is, mm, what are the challenges that military family face? The one is separation.
We already cover all these kind of
Yes,
points. You know,
you have
suppose
already answered.
suppose one wife. Suppose she is now a condition of pregnancy.
Yeah.
She is waiting for her husband,
Yeah.
who is now standing in the border of India.
Yeah.
And what condition at that moment, this kind of person supposed to present with his with her wife, with his wife, and the wife is waiting for his husband.
Yeah. So I think it's a
And
very
she don't know at the time of OT.
Yeah, she doesn't.
Yeah, I want. Yeah, why you are telling this kind of? I want to tell you. I trying to say. Try to say to you.
When she don't use don't.
Yeah.
You always say he, she doesn't.
She doesn't. She doesn't know. Yeah. She doesn't know that if at the time of OT, her husband is available or not. Obviously not. Availability is not possible, And one more thing is that one mother has this kind of knowledge, how pain she have at the time of gave a birth of a child.
Yes, it's very painful.
It's very painful.
Yeah, and you know what? In villages, people, especially the males, they treat females, in a very bad manner. Right now, they think as if they are females and we can do whatever we want to. We are the boss.
Yeah.
So I think that's a very right thing, because she has to go through a lot of pain, struggles and all. I think we should respect each and every gender. There should not be any dominance as such right now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Anyway, let's move to our next question.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think soldiers get the required respect that they should get in return of their huge sacrifices which they are doing or which they are giving?
Obviously, we must have this kind of respect to them, because they are the soldiers. For them, yeah, because they are the soldiers.
Right.
They are doing only for not the nation. They are doing this kind of work for the people of the nation.
Yes. And we should respect them. Yeah, right.
And we should respect them.
Yeah. So
we must respect to them.
We must, yes. Must is a compulsion, yes.
Must the compulsion.
Should means you're giving an advice, but must. Yeah, we must respect.
करना चाहिए. Should means करना चाहिए.
Yeah. और must मतलब
तुमको करना है.
Yeah.
They are doing all this kind of stuff for you.
Amit, I'm done with my questions for the day, and I'm done with the topic. So, do you have anything else to ask me,
Like
or
we just started our conversation just now. Yeah.
yes, it
But
happens.
after having this kind of conversation and whatever questions you asked to me,
Mhm.
what mistake I made?
You're so cute, man. You should say conversations. You said conversation. It's fine. It's
Okay.
fine. I'm laughing because the way how you said na, the way you asked, what mistake I
Yeah,
made?
yeah.
It was funny.
When you started to
I was
write
like,
down anything,
I was,
I thought, yeah, I made some mistake.
I was just about to write, and then suddenly you said, "Oh, what mistake?" So it was amazing.